Hey, this Goggles, and I'm mad as hell. I gotta tell y'all a story. A ridiculous story. The other night, not too long ago, after midnight, which everybody knows is booty call hour, I'm laying down. I receive a text message from a strange lady. I look at it, and the strange message says, Goggles, can I get your opinion on something? Because we're friends, I was wondering if you could help me out with something. I'm mad as hell because one, we're not friends, and I don't know you like that. So for her to feel like we got some kind of closeness or bond like that is beyond my comprehension. So I got a phone call from a woman. And the woman on the phone, I said to her, listen, I just got a strange text from a stranger that says some strange information. So I told her. She called me friend and wanted to ask my opinion about something. Now the lady on the phone said, ignore it. Me being the superhero that I am, decided to try and save the day. I said in the text, what can I do for you? Would you like to talk? Because I think it's easier to say words than to just type them all out. The stranger says to me in the text, I can't talk right now. I'll call you in about an hour. Now I should have followed instructions number one from the lady on the phone. But I hung up from the lady on the phone and I called my buddy. When I was talking to Swing, I said, listen, I just got a text message from a strange person asking me something strange. I told him what the stranger said to me, and they wanted my opinion on something, and they felt like we was friends, and that she couldn't actually talk